Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect the SAP or SAP to Power BI. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. First things first, all you have to do is go to your browser. Once you do that, you're going to search for SAP Connector for Microsoft.net, and so you're going to select the first link right here. This is going to send you to this main page where you're going to install it, so you're going to scroll down. As you can see, the downloaded and documentation options. So click on whatever one that you would like to install for the 32 or 64-bit. Once you click on it, it's going to transfer you to this page where it's going to request you to log in. Once you log in with your account for SAP, you're going to click on continue and it's going to download it automatically to your computer. Once that is done, go back to Power BI. And now from here, all you have to do is click on get data. And then from here, go to more. And once you click on more, it's going to show you this page where you're going to search for SAP. And so it's going to give you this three options. So SAP HANA database or SAP business warehouse or the third one. So usually people select for SAP business warehouse application server and you click on connect. Once you click connect, it's going to ask you for your credentials where you're going to fill in for the server, the system number and the client ID. And once you collect for everything, you're going to simply click on OK and it's going to log you in. And that is how you connect your SAP to Power BI. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.